Okay, hello guys. Before the video starts, I have unfortunately been banned off TMP. Anyway, let's go through how to install this. Okay, so all the things you need to get this will be in the description with links, whatever. Okay, so once you have clicked the first link, which should be the OpenTrack, once you've clicked this, you should be brought to this page. Go down a little bit, just to where it says assets here. Click on it, and whatever you have, I'm going to assume most of you have Windows, since I think this only works on Windows. Go to the last OpenTrack on this. OpenTrack 2024.1.1 Win64 setup.exe. Click it. There you go, look. Starts downloading. Okay. Once it's downloaded, just click it. Double click it, I think. It will start downloading. If it says, do you want to make changes to your device? Click yes, because this is important for it to actually work correctly. I promise you there are no viruses. I've been using this for about, I think a week. It's got no viruses in it, so please don't worry about that. Okay, now you come to the second link in the description. On this, you want to come to Assets, and you want to install the .zip file here at the very top. Install that. Should start installing. Once it's installed, extract it. Go into the file you've extracted it, and just find AiTrack.exe. Install it. Once you've installed that, a screen will pop up and it will say start tracking. That is when you are in the tracking phase here. Okay, so now you are in the tracking phase. Go to configuration before you start tracking. This is crucial because the IP port is 127.0.0.1. The port is 4242. These settings you don't need to change. These are all whatever. I've only changed this because it felt good for me. You can mess around with the settings. Once you've put in the IP and port, that's all that matters. You can click apply down here at the bottom. Just close out of that. I'm going to assume you've got OpenTrack installed as well. Once you've got OpenTrack installed here, you want to go over here into input. Got to use UDP over network, right? When you go into this, put the same port that was in this 4242. Should already be the same 4242. Once you've done that, output should be FreeTrack 2.0 enhanced. This doesn't need to be changed. Filter is Acela. This, I like putting the smoothing up to max. I suggest you do the same with that. Go to shortcuts. I have a center button. Because say you're looking forward, right, but it's looking to the right or something. You can just quickly center that with a quick button. I like keeping forwards and backwards disabled because when I was looking to the right, it would bring me forward and then it would uncenter itself when I look back. So I disable forward and back. Remember on these, you want to, it says pre-invert, post-invert. Go to pre-invert, pitch, roll, Y, and Z if you're using it. Now to the relative translation, you don't need anything for this. Game detection, doesn't matter. With that, you should be done. One last thing before I end. Once you have the AiTrack and OpenTrack on, for it to work, over here, you've got to click Start Tracking. This only works if you have a camera, phone, or whatever sort of camera. I suggest you have a webcam for this to work. Webcams do the best that they can do. Once you have that set up, you know, your webcam, you've got this set up, you've got that set up, you can start tracking. It will show your beautiful face, and it will put some purple lines over it. I'm not going to start tracking, because I'm not going to show my face right now. Over here, once you've start tracked on AiTrack, you start tracking on OpenTrack. So, say I start tracking on AiTrack, I've removed the thing from the screen. I can start tracking on this, and it shows that, you know, it shows the octopus, and you're moving around, you're looking up, you're looking down, you're looking left, you're looking right. Alright, you can stop that now, and you can stop tracking on AiTrack. Remember to only launch these before you launch ETS, or else it will not work. Remember, this works with ETS2, flight simulators. Anyways, enough of that. That was the short tutorial of how to get that to work. You can now enjoy the home screen while I play some Wii Sports music over it at bass boost.